Today we're going to cover this pole with a light pole detector. When you receive the light pole detector, they'll come in two different boxes. You'll have flat pieces, just like this, and then you'll have corner pieces, just like this. Obviously 4 flat pieces to each side and 4 corners to each side. We've got different grooves in them for different sizes. So if you need a 4-inch, you'll come in as far as you can. 5-inch will be your next groove. 6-inch will be your next groove in order to snap together. These will go around, cover this light pole. Here's our first section. I've got it up. You have to forgive me because I'm doing it by myself. And you've got these grooves. You can see the flat part. And then this part actually snaps into those grooves, whatever size your light pole is. So if it's a 4-inch, it'll go all the way in. A 5-inch will come to here, and then the 6-inch will be to here. So I've got our first section actually done. We'll move that up a little bit. Our first section is done. We'll get back a little bit so that you can see the first section. Now what I'll do is I'll take my next section, and you can see that the flat pieces are actually longer than the corner pieces, and that's so that when our next section comes up, that seam, it'll help them hold together and help it actually attach to itself. I just took off the top of the pole detector because you're going to have to cut a little bit through that handhole cover. And now I put them together. In each section, I just continued to slide up. Now, if you had a bucket truck, would be a lot easier, but obviously we didn't have it, so we just did sections and slid them up, and that pole is now completed. I'm going to take a second and show you on a foot section of how it actually snaps together, and I'm going to put the top back together on the pole detector, and we'll give you a finished product. So now I wanted to show you the finished with the pole detector on there. It took me about 15 minutes to actually put that up. It would be much easier with a bucket truck and a ladder to where you could do the detail stuff, but that gives you the idea at the end of the day, 15 minutes of covering that light pole.